At DAV International School, we constantly endeavor to promote the concept of global citizenship by creating opportunities for collaborative learning and thereby pave way for world peace. It was because of this that our school became the proud recipient of the International School Award twice in a row. ISA provided a framework to our school to develop an action plan, implement international activities throughout the year, and encouraged our school to join forces with overseas schools to create a rich learning experience for students through use of ICT and real context for learning. By sharing projects with partner schools and values achieved through theme-based projects of competitions 2013, helped the students to not only showcase their talents, hone their skills, but also provided opportunities that lead to multi-dimensional growth of their physical, social, intellectual and spiritual being.
Who is going to speak about their country? Yes?
I want to say that India's national game is hockey.
Okay. About some other country which you came to know other than your own country.
Australia's national animal is kangaroo.
While doing this activity, I came to know that Berlin is the capital of Germany.
Fine, Halman.
I came to know that the national game of Dubai is football. I came to know that the currency of Canada is Canadian dollar.
It was a great experience to do this activity. When we discussed the culture of different countries, we feel as if the whole world came to our homeland, India.
Working for the International School Award was really a very challenging task, but it proved very interesting and highly rewarding experience. Interaction with schools of other countries proved very educative and beneficial, not only for us faculty members, but also for our students. In fact, projects bring joy and satisfaction and become priceless and memorable when shared with others.
I, Neetu Grover from DAV International School, Amritsar, wants to share our ISA experience. After receiving ISA, our teachers are now more sensitized on ways of incorporating life skills like empathy, critical thinking and self-awareness through the curriculum. At DAV ICE, we guide our learners to celebrate the unique characteristics of different people, cultures and traditions across the globe. Thank you.
I, Raja Saigal from DAV International School, Amritsar. By having won the ISA for the second time, the caliber of our students' doubt has increased manifolds, but on the whole, it is all the more rewarding as it actually promotes international understanding and tolerance, which truly goes in the shaping of cosmopolitans.
I'm Payal Gupta from DAV International School. It is rightly said that real voyage of discovery consists not only in seeing lands, but in seeing with new eyes. After working on ISA project and winning it twice for the school, I believe that it has truly helped in fostering global awareness and international collaboration in our regular classrooms. Being a part of this project, it has helped me to put learning into context. We organized trips, cultural visits and pen pal writing, thereby creating strong bonds across the globe. It has been quite helpful in preparing children for 21st century and bringing professional development in us.
Aigur Kawal from DAV International School, Amritsar. ISA project was undoubtedly a unique experience for all of us. It enabled the students to develop global citizenship skills and to understand their role in this changing arena. Continuing the journey, we are still focused to bring international curriculum into our day-to-day teaching learning process.